Good afternoon, students. Now, in last lecture, we had seen the very most important method, that is decision making under risk. In that method, we have seen three methods, that is EMV, expected monetary value, EOL, expected opportunity loss, and EVPI, that is expected value for perfect information. So basically, decision making under risk method is used when a decision maker has some information and he can obtain some information from the private agency or by the survey. So today again we'll discuss the very most important question, that is how to construct payoff table, how to find EMV, how to find EVPI and EOL, and what are the difference between all these three methods. So today we'll discuss this example. So in this example, what we have given, a baker makes a certain kind of pastry. So here the business is what, the bakery, and sales in a day. The pastry is perishable and must be thrown if it is not sold during the day. That means anyhow a pastry maker has to sell the pastry on that particular day. The unit cost is ₹20. So please note down here, unit cost is 20. Sales price is 30. Sale price is 30. And we have given probability as he has some past information regarding demand. So here basically in this table what we have given, so we have given the respective demand on a particular day, that is 20 plus 3, 21, 22, 23 or 24. Now there is a 10% chance of having 20 demand of pastry, 20% chance of having 21 demand, 30% chance of having 22 demand, again 30% chance of having 23 demand, and only 10% chance of having 24 demand. So now what we have to construct? Payoff table, then we have to find opportunity loss table, and then we have to find EVPI, EMV and EPPI. Okay, so let us try to solve this question practically so that you can understand this very easily. So basically in this question only one information is given, that is number of demand and its respective probability. So we'll write here number of demand, that is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and probability it is called PJ, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.3 and 0.1. Now another information is given in the paragraph, that is unit cost, or you can say cost price of the pastry is 20 rupees and selling price of the pastry is 30 rupees. So Now it is understood that if you sell the product pastry in 30 rupees while its cost price is 20, then we'll get profit 10 rupees. Clear? 30 minus 20. Another thing is given, if the pastry is not sold on a particular day, then it will be perishable and you have to throw it away. So this is again loss. So it is what? The loss if we fail to sell the pastry. So it is called unsold loss. Unsold loss. So what is the cost price? 20 rupees. So if you make a pastry which cost is 20 rupees and if you need to throw it away, then you have to pay 20 rupees loss. That is called loss due to not selling the pastry, or it is called unsold loss. Okay. So now we'll prepare first payoff table. Payoff table using this information. So first of all, here as per the demand, we have to keep stock of the pastry. So what are the options we have? Either you can stock for 20, 21, 22, 23 or 24 pastry as per the demand. And here the states of nature is what? The demand. Demand. So that is either 20 or 21 or 22 or 23 or 24. Okay. Now the question is, how can we prepare this payoff table? So first of all, we will find these diagonal elements. Diagonal elements in that means when demand and supply both are same, then we get always profit. So it is advisable to find the profit for the same demand and stock. So here in the first row, first column, we have 20 demand and 20 stock. So we'll get profit of 10 rupees per pastry. This is profit of one pastry. So if we sell 20 pastry, then we'll get profit 20 into 10 because per pastry profit is 10. So we'll get 200 rupees profit. Then we'll find 21, 21. So 21 into 10, again we'll get profit 210. Then we'll find 22 stock, 22 demand. So when you have 22 pastry and when the customer demands for 22 pastry, then definitely you will get profit. You will earn profit. That is 22 into 10, 220. Similarly, 23 into 10, 230. And similarly, 24 into 10, 240. So whenever you are asked this type of question, then first find diagonal element where demand and stock both are same. Now here the row wise, if you can see that here demand is 21, 22, 23, 23. While its supply or stock is only 20. So here you cannot increase stock in the first row. So here when the demand is 20, supply is 20, there is no loss. When demand is 21, but we have 20 supply, then again you will earn profit definitely for 20 pastry. Of course, one customer might be dissatisfied, but again here we do not have to suffer any loss. So here we have only one type of loss, that is unsold loss. So here we can sell all pastry because the demand is minimum 20 or more than 20. So when demand is less than 20, then only we have to suffer some loss. Okay. So basically When demand is 21, you can sell 20, 200, you will earn profit. When demand is 22, again you can sell 20 units. Demand is again you can sell all pastry. One profit for one pastry is 10 rupees. So total 200 you can earn. So here, if your demand is more than stock, then again you can sell whatever you have in the stock, and per unit profit is 10. So you can just multiply the stock into per unit profit, so we'll get total profit. So after finding these diagonal elements, we'll find row wise profit. And when you find row wise profit, then there is some scarcity of the pastry as demands are more than supply. So here for second row, you can see that here demand is 22, but supply is 21. So no need. Here again we will not suffer any loss. So again definitely you can sell 21. You cannot sell 22 because you have only 21 pastry. So 21 into 10. Again demand is 23, but supply is 21. Again you can sell 21. 21 into 10, total profit 210. For that, again we can sell 21 only because demands are more, but we do not have that much pastry in the stock. Again here we'll find the remaining value. So here again you can see that demand is 23, but supply is 22. So again you can sell all the pastry. So 22 into 10. Here the demand is 24, but supply is only 22. So you can sell 22. So there is no loss. Okay. So after finding row wise, now we'll find column wise answer. Now here the demand is fixed in column, but supply may vary. Okay. So here you can see that demand is 20, but supply is 21. So here you will suffer one pastry. Loss of one pastry. Okay. So here, when demand is 20 and supply is 21, then you can sell 20 pastry. Yes. Okay. And you cannot sell one pastry, and you have to throw it away as per the instruction given the question. So here you can earn 200 profits because 20 you can sell, but you have to suffer one pastry as a loss. So per unit loss is what? 20 rupees. So total profit you can earn 20 into 10 minus loss 1 into 20 rupees loss per pastry. So you can earn how much? 200 minus 20, 180 rupees. So you can subtract that loss only from this amount. So it is 180. Again here you can see that demand is 20 but supply is 22. So again we have to suffer 2 units of loss. So again you can sell 20 units only. So you can earn 200 minus, you cannot earn the profit for 2 pastries. Here you have to suffer loss for the 2 pastries. So again 2 into 20, 40. So again 200 minus 40 is what? 160. Or you can subtract 20, 20 from 0. Because already we have subtracted loss of one pastry. So here again if you subtract loss of only one pastry from this, then you will get the same amount. Okay. For this again the demand is 20 but supply is 23. So you can sell 20. So 20 into 10, 200 profit you can earn, but you have to suffer loss for 3 pastries. That is 3 into 20, 60. So 200 minus 60, 140. Similarly 200 minus and 4 pastry you have to throw it away. So again you have to suffer loss for 4 pastries. 4 into 20, 80. So 200 minus 80 is 120. Or you can subtract 20, 20, 20. So similarly here again the loss is C. Here the demand is 21 but supply is 22. So we have to suffer one pastry as a loss. So you can subtract now minus 20. Okay, you can subtract 20. So 210 minus 20, 190. Or if you want to find manually, then you can say you can sell 220 pastry, 20, sorry, you can sell 21 pastry. So 21 into 10, 210 you can earn, minus you have to face 1 unit as a loss. 1 into 20, that is 20. So 210 minus 20, that is 1. It is understood. Again, you have to suffer one more extra loss of pastry, so subtract 20 and again subtract 20. Okay, so here the difference between the stock is same, so you can subtract same amount. If difference is varied, then you have to change your loss amount also. Similarly, here you can subtract 20 units as loss. So 20, 220 minus 20, 200, and 200 minus 20, 180. And similarly, here you can subtract 20, that is 210 from 30. So row wise you have to find and column wise you have to find. Okay. So if there is a scarcity loss, then again you have to subtract row wise. So mind well, row wise you have to subtract scarcity loss and column wise you have to subtract unsold loss. Okay. So this is what the information that is given in the question. Okay. Now this is the answer number 1. Now the second question is what? Find EOL table. Okay. So now we'll find EOL table, opportunity loss table. So OL table. So here we'll write directly stock 22, 23, 24, 25, and here we'll write demand again 21, 22, 23, 24. Sorry, 20 is there. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, again 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So this is what the structure of opportunity loss table. Now we'll find loss states of nature wise, and states of nature are given in the column. So here the maximum amount is what? 200. So subtract all from 200. So 200 minus 200, 0. 200 minus 180, 20. 200 minus 160, 40. 200 minus 140, 60. And then 200 minus 120 is the 8. Similarly, we'll find for the second column. Okay, so it is 210 maximum, so subtract all from 210, so it is 10. 210 minus 10 minus 210, 0. Then 210 minus 190, 20. 210 minus 170, 40. And 210 minus 150, that is 60. Then again here, so for the third column, maximum amount is 220. So subtract all from 220. So it is 20. Then 220 minus 210, 10. Then 0. Then 220 minus 220. And 220 minus 180, 40. Similarly, for third column, maximum is what? Here it is 230. So subtract all from 230. So it is 30, then 20, then 10, 0. How? So 230 minus this, 230 minus this, 230 minus 210, 230 minus 230, 0, and 230 minus 210 is 20. And for the last column, maximum is 240, so subtract all from 240. So here we have not found the answer. Yes, you can write here 230. So 240 minus 200, the 40. 240 minus 210, 30, 20, 10, and 3. So this is what opportunity loss table. Okay. Then after, what we have to find? EMV and EV clear. Okay. So first we'll find EMV and what we have given probability. So we'll write probability 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.3 and 0.1. Here you can write probability 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.3 and 0.1. Okay. So please write down. We will start the answer. Okay. So first we will find EMV. What is formula of EMV? Yeah, double summation Xij into Pj. So first we will find EMV for 20. Stop. Okay. So when if you want to find EMV, then you have to find EMV from payoff table. This is payoff table, not from opportunity loss table. Okay. So first we'll find for the first row. So 200 into 0.1, 200 into 0.2, 200 into 0.3, 200 into 0.3, 200 into 0.1. So here amount is same. So we'll get 200 as the answer. So 200 into 0.1, 200 into 0.2 plus 200 into 0.3 plus 200 into 0.3 plus 200 into 0.1. Okay. So here we'll get answer 20 plus 40 plus 60 plus 60 plus 20. Again, if you add, you'll get 200. Okay. Similarly, we have to find EMV for 21. That is for second. So it is 180 into 0.1 plus 210 into 0.2 plus 210 into 0.3 plus 210 into 0.4 plus 210, sorry, 0.3, then after 0.3 and 210 into 0.1. So answer is what? 18 plus 42 plus 63 plus 63 plus 21. So it is 21 plus 63 plus 63 plus 42 plus 18. So answer is 207. Please check it again. Then EMV for 22 is, now you third row, 160 into 0.1 plus 190 into 0.2 plus 220 into 0.3 plus 220 into 0.3 plus 220 into 0.1. So here answer is 16 plus 38 plus 66 plus 66 plus 22. Final answer is 16 plus 38 plus 66 plus 66 plus 22. So it is 208. Okay. Thereafter, we'll find EMV for 23. Okay, so use code row 140 into 0.1 plus 170 into 0.2 plus 200 into 0.3 plus 230 into 0.3 plus 230 into 0.1. So the answer is 14 plus 34 plus 60 plus 69 plus 23. So equal to, so it is answer is 200. And similarly, we'll find for EMV for 24. For last row, 120 into 0.1 plus 150 into 0.2 plus 180 into 0.3 plus 210 into 0.3 plus 240 into 0.1. Now here we'll find direct answer. So 120 into 0.1, 150 into 0.2, 180 into 0.3, 210 into 0.3, and 240 into 0.1. So answer is 183 rupees. So according to EMV rule, we will select that act as the best act which has maximum EMV. So maximum EMV is 208. So we can say we should keep at least 22 pastry in the shop. If you keep 22 pastry as a bakery owner, then you will earn definitely on an average 208 as a profit per day. Okay, this is very simple rule. EMV. Okay, after this, we can find EOL, or directly we can find EVPI. Okay, so no need to find EOL now because, and my value here maximum EMV is 208. Okay, so maximum EMV, that is 208, that we have found earlier. Now we'll find EVPI. What is formula of EVPI? EPPI minus maximum EMV. So answer of maximum EMV we have already 208. Now we'll find EPPI. What is formula of EPPI? Double summation or single summation you can use maximum Xij bracket over into Pj. So from the first case of nature, maximum Xij is 200 and Pj is 0.1. So you can write 200 into 0.1. In second case of nature, maximum is 210 and probability is 0.2. So 210 into 0.2, Xij into Pj. For third, maximum is 220, 220 into 0.3. For fourth column, maximum is 230 into 0.3. And for the last column, the maximum is 240 into 0.1. Clear? So now we can calculate this 200 into 0.1, 200 into 0.1, 210 into 0.2, 220 into 0.3, 230 into 0.3, 240 into 0.1, and answer is 221. Please check it again. It is 221. So write down here EBPI 221. Subtract this from 108. So it is 13. So if you want to obtain the perfect information regarding the demand of the pastry, then you have to pay 13 rupees to get the additional information. Okay, I hope now it is clear to you all. Please now find one more thing. Find EOL for 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 from this table, and find minimum EOL and check whether the answer is 13 or not. So that you can verify your answer. So this is your today's homework. So please write down and find EOL. Okay. So we have discussed all these points. Okay. Now, if you want to check or verify this answer, please find EOL and check the answer of minimum EOL. Okay. Definitely, you will get 13. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.